Mastering AI tools can significantly boost productivity, creativity, and efficiency in 2024. Here are 10 AI tools you should consider mastering this year. 1. ChatGPT. Use case: writing, content creation, coding assistance, customer support. Why master it? One of the most powerful conversational AI models, helpful in drafting articles, solving technical problems, brainstorming ideas, and more. 2. Midjourney 3. OpenAI. Use case: generating art and images from text prompts. Why master it? Ideal for designers, marketers, and anyone working with visual content. Can generate creative, high-quality images for various projects. 3. Notion AI. Use case: task management, content drafting, brainstorming ideas. Why master it? Notion AI can streamline your productivity by organizing your notes and helping draft content or meeting summaries. 4. Descript. Use case: video editing, podcast transcription, and voice cloning. Why master it? Descript leverages AI for fast video and audio editing, making it a must-have tool for content creators and marketers. 5. Copy.ai. Use case: writing marketing copy, product descriptions, social media posts. Why master it? AI-powered copywriting tool to automate text generation for different purposes like email marketing and landing pages. 6. Runway ML. Use case: video editing, special effects, and AI-generated video content. Why master it? For filmmakers and creators, Runway ML provides cutting-edge AI for dynamic visual effects and video content creation. 7. Jasper AI. Use case: blog writing, social media content, email automation. Why master it? Jasper specializes in long-form content generation, helping marketers and bloggers to scale their writing efforts quickly. 8. Synthesia. Use case: creating AI-generated videos with digital avatars. Why master it? It allows businesses to create video content using AI-generated presenters and avatars, cutting down production time. 9. Pictory. Use case: turning text-based content into videos. Why master it? For marketers and YouTubers, Pictory automates video creation from scripts, blog posts, or social media captions, enhancing content repurposing. 10. Grammarly. With AI-powered features. Use case: grammar and style suggestions, content improvement. Why master it? Besides grammar checks, Grammarly's AI helps with tone adjustments, clarity, and formatting suggestions, making it essential for writers and professionals. Why master these AI tools in 2024? AI is integrated into many professional tasks, and mastering these tools can elevate your workflow, helping you automate repetitive tasks, generate content faster, and unlock creative possibilities. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or technical fields, these tools offer tremendous value.